erase marker is 20 kwacha. He is prepared to spend not more than 1,200 kwacha altogether. Let X represent X permanent markers and Y the number of dry erase. Now let's go back. Let's start hunting for those inequalities. Are we ready to hunt for those inequalities? How many are up for now looking for those? We have been taught to look for four inequalities. Ready or not, here it comes. Look at this. Let's go through. I mean, this is the third time I'm reading this. A businessman intends to sell two types of markers, permanent and dry erase. He decides that there should be at least 20 permanent markers. At least 20 permanent markers. So at least 20 permanent markers. We have known that we no longer use these permanent markers. We use X. So X stands for permanent markers. So but at least 20 permanent markers. And at least means what? Greater or equal. So to be X should be greater or equal to 20. All right? That's what it means. So he's saying that there should be at least 20 permanent markers. Because at least it means greater or equal. So he decided to at least have at least 20 permanent markers. Permanent markers represented by X. 10. He decides that there should be at least 20 permanent markers and at least 10 dry erase. Dry erase represent Y. So at least dry erase. How many? 10 dry erase. So tasalana my inequalities, right? We have managed to find 2. Kwasala 2 more. You are now in an exam. You are now in an exam. 10. So, in order to make his business stable, he decides to order not more than 70 markers altogether. When they say altogether, which altogether? But when they say altogether, they mean the number of permanent markers and the number of dry erase should not be more than 70. So we'll say permanent plus dry erase should be less or equal to 70, because not more than means less or equal.